Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making shish kebabs with chicken. Okay, here is some paprika, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, and sea salt. Okay, I'm going to add it to the chicken here. Okay, mix it really well. So, until everything gets combined and gets all the flavors. So now here I have yellow, orange, and red peppers. Here are the sticks, shish kebab sticks. Here I have red onions, and here I have eggs and some garlic powder and salt. So I'm gonna be dipping the shish kebabs in the egg, then in the breadcrumbs, and then I'm gonna fry them for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna be putting them in the oven. So we'll start now. Okay, so I'm gonna I'll show you the onion. I'll put one piece of the chicken breast, and I'll put it, okay, and you know, this, then I'll put an onion. I'm gonna do a couple and then I'll finish them on my own. Okay, it's nice and tight. See? Okay. So, okay, and I'm gonna be putting them in this plate here, and I'll start to do another one. I'll finish this with the onion. Okay. But then I have longer sticks too, that we can do it longer. But I like them that size. So I'll show you now what I'll do with this. Okay. I'll do the egg. Okay, so put that on the side. And this is garlic powder, and I'll add it here, and salt. Okay, so I'll just beat it a little bit. Okay, so this is the way I do it. So I will just do it in the egg. Okay, and you can just use a brush, which I'm going to be using a brush too. So just to show you, and this is the breadcrumbs. Okay, so yes, it's all covered with the egg, and you just dip it in breadcrumbs. Okay, and then you set it on the side. Okay, I'll put this here, and I'll be setting this on the side. Just like that. Okay, I'll be frying these, so when I'm done, I'll show you the final result. I'll be back. Now, that's what I was doing, I did to the other ones. You just brush them with the egg. And the egg, you saw, put some garlic powder and just some sea salt. And we'll dip them in the breadcrumbs. And they're so simple to make. And you have a nice dinner. And you can serve them with salad. Look how nice they look. And I'm gonna be frying these soon. I'm all ready. Make it faster. Okay, we're done. All done. So I'm gonna fry this now. I'm gonna move to the stove. I'm gonna wash my hands, and I will be back. Okay, I'm ready for the frying. So this is canola oil. You can use vegetable oil. It's the same. Looks like it's ready. Okay, so I'm gonna start frying them because they don't take long to fry. Maybe I'll put one here. Okay, so here I have a pizza pan with parchment paper because I'm going to be putting them in the oven. And I'm going to put them here, a paper towel first. I'm just going to put them here after I fry them. Okay. See how they turn the color, nice and golden. I'll take them out soon. And they'll finish cooking in the oven for about 10 minutes. Because the vegetable, you don't want them, like the peppers, the onions, you don't want them too much. So that's why they cook here first and not too long in the oven. Okay, I'll take them out. Nice and golden. Put them on paper towel. Okay. And my oven is on. And they stay in the oven for about 10 minutes, like I said. And they're ready for mangiare. The oven is ready. And I'm just gonna put them inside right now. And they look beautiful. Okay. Okay, the shish kebabs are ready. Out of the oven. They look beautiful. Crispy on the outside and moist inside. I can see they're nice and juicy. If you like today's video, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, ciao for now.